as you can see, I'm on the red carpet again. Now, the No Time to Die premiere, it was actually the first proper premiere I'd ever been to. It's the first time I've ever stood on a proper red carpet. A few years ago, I did go to a premiere of a film called Iron Men, which was about West Ham, and nice to see Daniel in a West Ham jacket, but that was a bit low-key. We did have one star, Ray Winstone was there, but I've never done anything quite as exciting as actually going on the red carpet of a Bond film. I sort of went to the red carpet do at Leicester Square for Quantum of Solace. I was actually in the public premiere, but nothing like Tuesday night. It was absolutely amazing. You felt like royalty. In fact, you were treated like royalty. In fact, you were on the same steps as royalty. It was absolutely fantastic. There is absolutely nothing quite like being in the chair watching the film for the first time. I do like the Royal Albert Hall, but to be fair, it should really be in this place here, shouldn't it? This is the home of the Bond premiere, but it was a really exciting event, being in front of royalty. Being with royalty was an absolutely fantastic thing. And one of the questions you asked is about which celebs did you see? Well, I was very close to Daniel, and he looked great in his West Ham jacket. Absolutely fantastic. But I think one of the best celebs that really took the eye, and that was the question, who took the eye? It was someone from Made in Chelsea who was called Kimberly Garner, who was wearing quite the most amazing dress. Okay, well, I'm actually here at a No Time to Die location. Spoilers, can't quite say what's going on here, but it doesn't involve a knighthood. Obviously, a lot of people. What was I going to do? Oh yeah, thoughts about the film. Well, I thought it was great. I give it 5 stars. Tell no one.